These waffles. Zivira ta ta. Check it out, we are back. Happy Wednesday to you. Wicked Wednesday. Woman Crush Wednesday. Wonderful Wednesday. What Wednesday? Wakanda Creative Wednesday. Welcome,
See,
welcome,
always
welcome.
gotta do extra stuff.
Welcome the people now.
Welcome you guys.
In
Welcome.
Senegal, can I finish? In Senegal, they say teranga. It means welcome. Say with me, teranga.
Da.
Jesus. Anyway, my name is Z. I am from Africa. You can find me on Instagram at zi.fromafrica, one word. Joining me today, the one and only, the lovely, the queen, wearing white because it's all bright, all night, giving you the light. My sister from another mister. You are a sister from another mister.
I know I'm the sister from
another
another
messing it
mother.
up this time. No. Come on now. Charlie. My sister from another Mr. Whitney. House in the house.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Whitney House. I am the CEO of the Creator, and today, what we doing?
I don't know, me, I'm going to go in my bedroom and take a nap. I don't know what you want to do. If you ladies want to join me,
Come on, come on.
free.
Right, come on. Nobody got time for this. What are we doing today? Because I'm starving.
But why are you yelling now? Why? The camera is right here, they can hear
They gotta
you.
make sure they can hear me.
You're trying to make sure they hear all the way in Africa. I'm going to be making some waffles. Plain and simple. We have our ingredients right here for your face. We have salt, sugar, baking powder, vanilla essence, not vanilla essence, vanilla essence. I almost said incense. It's better than incest. No.
What?
Yeah, whatever. We have some coconut flakes.
Oh!
We have 2 eggs. We have some. I'll come back to this one. I always do this. I always save the special ingredient.
Yeah, come on,
for
the
last.
special ingredients.
We have some flour. This one, by chance, it so happened that I only had gluten-free flour in my house. So if you are gluten-free today, this is your show. This is your night. Tonight is your night, bro. We have some milk and some vegetable
Is this
oil.
regular milk?
Why do you ask too many questions?
Because it don't look like regular milk.
It's half and half.
Okay,
because
half
I like to zhuzh it up, you know. But for the milk, guys, if you are vegan, I'm sorry, I don't mean to say guys, that's very sexist. Ladies and gentlemen, for the milk, if you are vegan, you can use coconut milk, you can use almond milk, you can use oat milk, you can use Z milk.
See, this is the stuff we talking about. This is exactly why people come up to me and ask me, is he even still alive? Okay, because the nonsense, y'all. The nonsense.
Okay, the special ingredient before I forget, special ingredient. This is ricotta cheese.
Oh,
so what
cheese?
it does, not cottage cheese, ricotta. Hey, spaghetti
Ricotta.
nyama.
What? The what? The cottage what?
Nyama, black person.
I thought it was cottage cheese.
No, ricotta cheese. So, ricotta cheese, the story behind this, actually I'll tell you when we're making the waffles, because I don't want my ingredients to die in front of you, and I want you to get ready. Go and wash your hands, because we don't know where those nasty fillers have been all day. Wash your hands, get yourself a nice apron. If you do those activities, hey, you better go outside and do it outside, not in my house. And get yourself some ingredients, get yourself jolly, get yourself in the good spirit.
Get yourself on and pop it, because it's about to go down. It's about to go
Lay
all
down
the way down.
your edges. Lay down
Get your edges. Get your edges. Take your feet off. Make sure your
Put
socks
on your
is clean.
wig.
Make sure your socks is clean, because listen, we can smell it through the camera. But you feel me?
Oh, and
But
my
make
goodness,
sure.
right now is summertime. You better put on some roll-on. It's stinking.
we just gonna keep this.
Oh, I forget. In America, they call it deodorant. Where I come from is roll-on. But anyway, let's go, baby. Are you ready?
I am ready.
I born ready.
I am starving like
I born ready.
I'm starving like mom.
I born ready.
Starving.
Okay, see you in a little bit.
Right, we need fucking.
Alright guys, welcome back. Check it out, our fresh apron, courtesy of Creative Era. If you want this one, I think she can charge you easy $30 to $35. I don't know, maybe I'm lying. You gotta ask her for the price.
This is exclusive stuff.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
We don't replicate.
Okay. Got sunflowers on my red apron. Haters hating outside, 'cause they ain't got one. Do, 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 do. And they ask, who made it? What am I going to tell them? Whitney House. She's a creative era. She's Whitney House.
We need special care. Come on, bro.
I'm glad you said we.
I met him.
All these past episodes, it's been, oh, you need special care. You need emergency help. Now it's all of us. You people see I'm not the only one crazy. Yeah?
He needs special help.
I love you, my everybody. First thing first, what we're going to do is sift all our dry ingredients into here. So do you want to know what this thing does?
What does it do?
So it take away all for the lumps.
Oh.
You see, I already put some in there already, but
that's
if you
how
take, if you take away all the lumps, so you have like really beautiful, thick consistency.
Oh.
And mind you, by the way, I don't like baking. I'm only doing this because she's here and she's been forcing me.
I've been wanting to do waffles since the beginning. That's the reason why we started this YouTube channel. I went to Brian. I told him I want to make waffles. That was the first ingredient he was supposed to teach me, y'all. The
first ingredient?
Or the first recipe.
Wow! Wow! English, you your own language. That's why you must learn African languages. For really.
The first.
No, you can do.
Okay.
While she's doing that, I'm going to add the other dry ingredients. So she's sifting some flour now. On top I added some baking powder. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Because it's salty.
What?
And then you know what makes everything sweet and nice?
Sugar!
Dumpling.
Put that sugar in the sugar. Put that sugar in the sugar.
And then we have
sugar in the sugar.
Some sweet coconut.
Put that coconut in the coconut. Put that coconut.
Have you ever been called a coconut in your life?
Nah, babe.
I was called a coconut when I was in Zimbabwe. Do you know why?
Why?
Because they said I was black on the outside, but white on the inside.
Well, in America, that is called a straight up Oreo, okay?
Charlie.
That's what that is called. That is called an Oreo. Okay, I'm not calling anyone an Oreo. That's offensive.
You're so racist.
That's offensive.
So you're going to mix this up for me.
Oh!
While you are mixing this up, I'm going to come here and mix up. Come here and crack some eggs. I'm going to show you how to separate eggs.
Alright.
Like it, right?
Right.
But we are separating it. We want the white part separate from the yellow part. So you see how I'm moving it like that?
Oh, that's how they make egg whites. That's how they make egg whites.
That's exactly what is an egg white. What we're going to do next, we save this one for later.
Okay.
We're going to use them again. This one, egg yolk.
Okay.
Add some oil.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Add some milk.
Okay.
Incorporate it together. Make sure everything is bubble-ash. What we're going to do now, put this one there. And we're just going to marry them together. And then now what we are going to do, go back to the egg whites. We are going to whip them until they reach a soft peak. Peak, it means you can pick up the whisk and then the egg white will fall just a little bit, not to walakatapa. We have this here, our electric whisk. We started off at low heat. Easy, Jaja. And then we give them fire.
What happened?
Give them fire, give them fire, give them fire.
Is that the white yolk?
Yeah. So we're going to whip it. And why we do it this way is to make the waffle fluffy.
Oh.
So what we do now, we come back to square one. And we are going to take our egg white and slowly, very carefully fold them into the bottom. The recipe doesn't call for this, but I highly recommend it. After you have your mix ready, take it and put it in the fridge for like 5 minutes to 10-15 minutes so that it relaxes and it oozes down and it chews. And then when you're ready, you have your waffle maker going. So we are going to do that. Shake it like a rasta, eating in my pasta. Something, another boss. No prison cell.
What?
Young brother like me can't go to jail. You say you rap but your balls are stale.
Yeah.
Say you want beef but you vegan. Shut up, eat kale.
Bardo, that's a real Bardo. Don't nobody trust to that. Don't nobody trust to that. That's a real Bardo.
We're back here. We're going to. Oh, check it out. It's steaming. It's hot, baby. It's hot.
It's getting hot in here. So take off not all your clothes.
Take it off. Take it off.
I said not.
Take it off. Take it off. So now it's really simple. It's not rocket science. This is a 2-ounce ladle. I don't know if we're going to need more, but I feel like 1 scoop per thing should be fine. I'm going to come here and put it like this. Oh, honey boo boo cha. Then you're going to close for them. Baby, I make a nice flour.
Food porn. Future husband? You better get ready, bro. Y'all see that? Anybody else would just throw a waffle on your plate. You ain't gonna see this nowhere. From Africa. Y'all looking for a caterer? Listen, y'all not gonna get this. Y'all not gonna get this. You see how much care and effort and patience and everything in here? Y'all not gonna get that. Ooh. Boy, look. He growing himself. He growing it for himself. Y'all not gonna get this. Where y'all gonna get that at? Carefully crafted and made. I don't know where y'all gonna get this at. Y'all playing. Look at that.
Joining us, such a lovely show, some beautiful food, some beautiful delicious waffles, some beautiful delicious people. Look at our face. We are so ready with excitement and joy, ready to eat, ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoy watching it. Before we start eating, we want to tell you really big something nice. A lot of people have been like reaching out in the DMs with 5,000 million questions. Some of them we can answer, some of them we can't answer. But very special meet for you. Whitney, tell them what we are going to
Listen, you guys, listen. Listen very closely. If you got a question, slide in one of our DMs. We get 1,000 of those a day. So
I'm not gonna lie, I don't get 1,000. But my personal DM has been set up to only receive messages from the girls who want to go hang out with Z. So if you don't want to hang out with Z, don't go in the DM. I'm not going to see it.
You guys want to question us? Give us some questions? Slide in one of our DMs and we'll get right back to y'all. Again, you guys, we get about 1,000 emails.
No, that's the wrong one. We're not going to get right back to you. Write the questions in the DM. Write the questions in the comments. Write the questions in the email. Text us the questions. What we are going to do, we are going to take our special time. We are going to be very charitable with our time. We are going to sit down, digest all your questions and answer them in a live segment. So I don't know if we're going to be live, but we'll answer them in a video like this. If you want to ask me, what is your favorite meal? How many times do you touch yourself a day? I can answer all those kind of.
Alright, you guys, so we're going to dive into this waffle because this is what I've been waiting for my whole entire life. And it is what it is and it is what it's not. Alright, child, so this is what we're going to do.
It's a sweet chocolate.
Let's see.
Oh. I would say in my country, it's a scapopo. Say with me, it's a scapopo.
This is delicious. Like nobody else's business. This is what I asked for my whole entire life. And I got what I wanted.
And you know what I like about it? It's crunchy on the outside.
Yes.
But you get to the middle, it's like a sweet cake. It's so soft, like a baby's bottom.
Coconut in the inside. It tastes so good that you gotta use sign language. You don't know what to say.
Do you know what it is? It is delicious.
Wait a minute, you guys. I'm about to bust this down.
Tatiana.
Like Tatiana. And call it a day. So, I'm gonna check y'all. We gonna check y'all in the next video. Holla at your girl. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit subscribe. And if you don't, y'all know what it is. We coming for you.
Oh, and one more thing, guys. Really quick, sorry. I have to plug myself in because it's so stupid for me to have a show and not plug myself in and promote myself. Me, my name is Z. I am from Africa. You can find me at zi.fromafrica. So check out my Instagram for more details. Call me, tell me, baby, tell me. Hey, I love you.
Listen, just hit the down below and y'all figure out. Listen, the man's name is Brian. He goes by the name Z. We don't know what's going on. Y'all, we don't know what's going on. Listen, your girl's hungry. I'ma holla at y'all on the flip side. You feel me? Is there any last word you need to say?
Alright, yeah. We love ya, we love ya, we love ya. Z-ra-ta-ta.
Hit it on the side. Hit it on the side.
Z-ra-ta-ta-ta. Hit it from the back, hit it from the front, hit it from above, hit it from below, hit it in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. Shake it like a shake it like
We don't know.
Wow.
We gonna give. Listen, make sure you hit that cash app so we can get Brian some special care, right?
Wow.
I'm gonna holla at you at the next video, alright? Have a good one. We about to bust it down.
I love you.
I know.